guys. So today I was planning on filming my like my move-in video. The movers were supposed to come today. It's Friday, and they were scheduled to come today and move all my stuff into my house. But thanks to Hurricane Dorian, or however the heck you say it, they're not coming because they are not working today. So they had to reschedule for Tuesday. So I'm going to be going another 5 days without anything, which kind of sucks because I was so excited to have my bed back because this tiny air mattress is not it. And it's so uncomfortable. Like, I think I would be able to handle it if I was not like almost 38 weeks pregnant, but y'all, it's a struggle, okay? It's a struggle. But it's okay, you know, because it probably would have been raining anyways, and I don't want them bringing all my stuff in while it's raining because I don't want it to get messed up, but whatever. So now I'll just video my first experience being in a hurricane. But it's actually kind of comical because the fact that whatever is happening right now is a hurricane is like, it's literally just raining, and it's not even like storming raining. It's just, and it's not sprinkling, but it's not storming. It's kind of just like casually raining. So yeah, and I'm pretty sure it's either just gonna get lighter or just stop. So yeah, Henry is in the barracks, and I'm pretty sure they're in lockdown. So I think all they can do is go eat, and that's about it. So I don't know, like, maybe it'll get worse, but I don't know. Here, look. I mean, you can't even tell it's raining. Like, you can barely hear it. You can't really see it. My shed door did open, so there was enough wind to do that. But I don't know. I was kind of worried because I thought I needed to like prepare and like have candles and a whole bunch of snacks in case like the electricity goes out or whatever, but I do not foresee that happening. Obviously electricity is still here, but yeah, so we're just gonna be hanging out inside today. I'll give you some updates on Hurricane Dorian, or whatever you call it, and yeah, we're probably just gonna do nothing all day. So all right, let's go brush our teeth. Brush our teeth, brush our teeth, brush, 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 brush.
Upside down.
Well, Toy Story 2 is the boys' favorite Toy Story right now. And they asked to watch it, so I was like, okay, yeah, sure. And I put it in, and it wasn't working. So I took it out and saw, let's see, where is it? This lovely crack. Y'all see that? Yeah, so Toy Story 2 is no longer, it is now trash. So that's terrific. One of these kids probably broke it. I'm like 99.9% sure. So that's awesome. Alright, so we have settled for Cars. Yeah. Toy Story 2 is at least Hank's favorite movie right now. So the fact that it's broken is really upsetting. Alright, come on, let's go downstairs. I am feeling downstairs. I'm feeling very nauseous right now, and I don't know why. Ugh. Pregnancy, it's not fun sometimes. Well, it's kind of fun in the first trimester, second trimester, third, not so much. Go! This handrail is like perfect size for them. It's so cute. But still gotta use the baby gate. Alright, go on down. Come on. Go, go, go. You okay? All right, I think we're gonna have some pizza for lunch. Pizza. Because Mommy needs to get groceries, but everything is closed. Is it Colt? So I made them pizza. Hank ate like none of it. He ate like maybe one. But now he just wants these Vienna sausages. So, whatever. At least he's eating something. Update on Hurricane Dorian. Let's see what it looks like. This is the outside. Stop.
It's raining.
As you can see.
Yeah.
Right there.
Right here.
It's just kind of like
It's Mommy's
a
car.
light rain.
It's Mommy's car.
But yeah, this is our hurricane. Nope. The
Mommy's.
soldiers are on lockdown from this. Couldn't go to class for the ones at AIT, which is Henry. And everything's closed. The clouds look kind of weird though. They're moving really fast. I don't know if you can tell, but yeah. Anyways. Alright, move. Move. Move.
Move.
You want another one?
No.
Okay. Alright, we are about to weather and go out into this crazy, scary hurricane because Henry just asked if we could go pick him up a can of dip. So, we are about to go to the gas station. It is thankfully open. And then go drop that off for him real quick. And it'll give a chance for the boys to see their daddy. So, that's what we're doing. Alright, let's go.
No, go outside. No, go outside.
She's not going outside. Come on. Oh gosh. Okay. Oh my goodness, it's so scary. Hold on, y'all stay right there. Guys, it's not even raining. It's like sprinkling, barely. I guess it is raining, but it's like sprinkling pretty much. All right, come on, get on in. Hank, go to your side.
It's raining.
Don't touch, don't touch, don't touch. Come on.
I'm walking.
Go to your side, Hank.
It's raining.
Oh, it's barely raining.
Yeah, the first car.
Got it. On our way to go see him. He's just down the road, so yeah. Alright, we just dropped it off. Colt, he's sleeping, so he didn't get to see Daddy. But Hank got to see him for just a second. And I literally just like rolled down the window, gave it to him, and he left, so. But it was so good to see him, and I'm sure that Hanky liked it. Hey, baby. Hey. Hey. Wake up. Wake up. We're gonna go take a nap, okay?
No.
You're napping, though. You just sleep. Oh, my. You are so sleepy.
Sorry.
Come on, baby. Wake up. Oh, I know. We're about to go, okay? I know. Come on. Blame it on your dad. Go to Bubba's side, okay? All right.
What's that? Is that kid?
Hmm?
Daddy.
Oh yeah, that's Daddy's old one. All right, let's go. Okay, here he is. Okay. Shh, it's night time. It's time to take a nap, okay? I love y'all. Sleep good. Okay, I just put the boys down for a nap. I can still hear them talking up there. So, I'm gonna have to go back up there in a second and tell them to go to sleep. But before I go up, I have to get a cookie because I got these at the commissary yesterday. Was it yesterday? I don't know, sometime this week. And oh my god, they're so good. They're just chocolate chip cookies, but they were like from the bakery, and they're so freaking good. They're like big and soft and so good. Honestly, I'm probably gonna eat two, but I'm pregnant, you can't blame me. Okay, update on the hurricane. I'm pretty sure it's completely stopped raining here. Let's see. Yeah, it's completely stopped. Y'all. They went in lockdown. Like, seriously? Canceled my moving company to move my stuff, all because of a little bit of rain. I mean, it's good to be cautious and prepared, but it is kind of annoying. Whatever. I'm about to make me a sandwich because I have been craving sandwiches lately. So I'm gonna make me a sandwich and eat that, and I'm not gonna lie, maybe eat another cookie. They're so good. All right, so I think the hurricane officially stopped at Fort Eustis, Virginia. Yeah, it's not even raining anymore. There's no wind. I mean, my car is pretty much already dried off, so yeah. And you know, if I look at the weather on my phone, it says it's supposed to be sunny tomorrow. Sunny and 85. So yeah. Hopefully they'll take down the lockdown or whatever at the barracks so that Henry can come hang out with us tomorrow and we can do something, because yeah. But there you go, guys. There was not much to document. It literally was just like drizzle of rain. I mean, like, it was raining like a good amount at some point, but still not even like more than usual, I guess. But whatever. This was not the video I wanted to post today or make today, but my movers aren't here, so I'll have to post that one next week. But anyways, if you enjoyed this spontaneous video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not already, please subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next one.